is Google. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a really long time. I know that I have created a video like this or a vlog. तो स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करते हैं. अगर आप इस चैनल पे न्यू हो और डोंट नो मी, तो आई एम अंकुशा पाटिल एंड आई स्टार्टेड दिस चैनल इन द सेकेंड ईयर ऑफ माई MBA विद अ वेरी स्मॉल मोटिव की आई शो लाइफ इनसाइड IIM. एंड ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि जब मैं कैट एस्पिरेंट थी, आई यूज्ड टू सर्च ऑन द इंटरनेट अ डे इन IIM और हाउ द IIM कैंपस लुक्स लाइक. तो बहुत सा इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं थी और मेरी खुद की फैमिली में भी ऐसा कोई नहीं था जिसने IIT या IIM से ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन व्हाटएवर किया हुआ था. सो आई वाज लाइक I will be that person if I get into an IIM. And finally in the second year, after gathering all the courage, I started off with this YouTube channel. And while graduating, I got placed in ICICI Bank as a product manager and worked there for 2 years in Bombay. I had an amazing boss, Vikash sir. He was more like a fatherly figure than like a boss, to be very honest. And an amazing team. While keeping that in mind, YouTube actually took a toss. How I'll tell you, when you're in corporate and people know that you also have something else other than the job, people don't actually encourage you to do that. So there were a lot of small talks and people would give you attention, and I'm somebody who never wanted attention because of my social presence. I always thought that everything good coming to me in the office should be because of the work that I do in the office or contribute for the organization, and not because of my social presence. So I also never appreciated that thing at all. And वो छोटे छोटे जो talks होते थे, I never liked it. So I just thought maybe I should just stop creating content on YouTube, which I now regret. But anyways, but of course, वो जो passion था हमेशा से बचपन से बोलने का and recording yourself in front of the camera, that didn't go. After my office hours, I thought why not to start with my Instagram page. And so in 2024, I started off with my Instagram page. Around Diwali, I took it very seriously and started creating content around internships, scholarship opportunities, and somehow I just started enjoying creating that kind of a content. And it worked. In Jan 2025, we hit 100K, and that was exactly the month जब मुझे genuinely लगने लगा था that अंकुशा, ICICI में अब तुम्हें 2 साल complete होने वाले हैं. There should be at least something more to your life. This is not it. And that's when I decided that I will go for an international exposure, and I was trying to move to abroad. I thought of Dubai. So I started reaching out to people in Dubai. I actually talked to a lot of people in the banking sector specifically and in the marketing sector to understand the kind of market Dubai is. And while I was doing all of this, और 10-15 दिन ही हुए थे, and somehow my birthday comes in the month of February. So I get this random call from Google Recruiter, and they asked me for my CV and my profile, all of that. And then on the day of my birthday, 20th February, I gave like 2 of the interviews of Google, and in a week all the interviews were done, and very soon I had my offer letter. And on the paper and in general, everything looked very, very promising, very perfect and awesome. But things were a little different, or I must say that things weren't the way I thought it would be. But this video is not about that, and in fact it is about very rare day, I must say. So I'll take you around. Let's get started. That's the outfit for the day. I was thinking to put up a jacket, or rather maybe I can get a waistcoat. Let's see. Let's get some makeup on. Alright, so that's that. I got this new gloss recently, which I'd like to apply. Let's go. Alright guys, so that's how I'm moving out of my building. हमें cabs usually एक हफ्ते पहले बुक करनी होती है and right now I'm inside the Google cab. Usually 1 से 2 लोग शेयर करते हैं ये cab and my house is very near to the office. So 10 से 15 मिनट में that's how we have reached our office Google. And आज finally मैं बताऊंगी Google के अंदर हैदराबाद का ऑफिस कैसा लगता है, how's the food and in general whatever I could show in today's vlog I will try to show. And that's the OG slide that you must have definitely heard of about Google.
Get the bag here right now. Now let's go and have our breakfast.
I am sure guys that you must have heard a lot about Google food. और हैदराबाद के ऑफिस में there are 3 blocks, block A, block B and block C. Right now I'm in block A, जहाँ पे तीनों ही ब्लॉक में आप देख सकते हो अलग अलग टाइप का खाना मिलता है, क्विजीन मिलता है, जैसे कि नॉर्थ इंडियन, साउथ इंडियन, मैक्सिकन, इटालियन एंड सो ऑन. तो जो भी आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, दिस इज़ एग्जैक्टली द फूड दैट आई हैड फॉर माई ब्रेकफास्ट एंड राइट नाउ आई एम ऑन माई वे बैक टू वर्क. Alright, so क्योंकि today is one of that rare day when I really have time to roam around, तो let me show you a very special place, that's the library वाला area. वैसे मैं बहुत बार यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं आती हूँ. This is one of that rare time that I'm coming just to show you around and that's all acting by the way. Alright, so I'm getting some work done right now with that ABC juice that I got in the morning for the breakfast. अब इसके बाद ना these are micro kitchens जो हर फ्लोर पे होते हैं गूगल में. These are actually very very popular. I'll show you कि कितना सारा सामान यहाँ पे आपको मिलता है और ये usually renew होता रहता है कि हर दिन या हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ थीम होती है तो चेंज होता रहता है. And these are usually 100 meters away from your desk area. नाउ गाइज इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 5 PM तो मैं वापस से अपने कलीग्स के साथ कॉफ़ी और खाना खाने आ गई हूँ एंड दैट्स द मशीन फ्रॉम वेयर वी ऑर्डर आवर कॉफ़ीज. दिस वाज वेरी फैंसी द फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ दिस, लाइक वेरी वेरी कूल. Alright, so this is probably the last second sprint of work. Usually मैं 2 घंटे का वर्क स्प्रिंट रखती हूँ. वैसे गूगल में ना बहुत सारी अमेजिंग चीज़ें भी है काम करने के लिए, जैसे कि ये जगह आप देख सकते हो. सारे ही ऑफिस में यू विल फाइंड की छोटी छोटी सी ऐसी अच्छी सी जगह बनाई हुई है फैंसी, जहाँ आपका काम करने में मन लगेगा तो आप वहाँ जाके काम कर सकते हो. अगेन आई एम बैक हियर. मैं सैंडविच ले रही हूँ अपने डिनर के लिए. तो मैं ऑफिस से ज़रूर निकल जाती हूँ अराउंड 7:38 बट अगेन आई रियली डू हैव टू वर्क आफ्टर गोइंग होम एज वेल. तो मैं बस अपना इवनिंग स्नैक कर रही हूँ. देन आई हैव माई कैब बुक्ड एंड कैब से ही आई विल गो बैक होम एंड या दैट्स अबाउट इट. Alright, so all this while I was in like block A, but my cab is from block C, so I'm going to block C and catch my cab. That's it. Alright, so like it's 5:40 right now and my day in the office ends up and I have all the time to do anything. But yeah, अभी कुछ नहीं है. I think मैं बस जल्दी से freshen up होंगी और दिया लगाऊंगी शाम का और I think let's see. Right, so I have my dinner with me and along with my dinner I would just watch some random thing on my laptop and I think that's about it. इसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत मैं content creation कुछ करूँगी. Now that I'm settled and that is why, or maybe I'll just edit this vlog and yeah, that's about the day. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog and if you're looking forward to see more days in my life, do let me know in the comments below and thank you so much. Bye bye, love you all. वेल दैट वॉज अ रेयर डे इन गूगल एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर, क्योंकि बाकी टाइम तो हमेशा इतना सारा काम होता था, इतनी सारी मीटिंग्स होती थी दैट I don't even used to feel sane to click a snap or anything like that. Well, that's a very big and a separate story for another video. But if you're someone who's really interested in content related to internship opportunities, scholarship opportunities, MBA in general, or career, or resume, or profile building, I have taken that Zumba on my shoulders right now, that I have learned so much about all of these things so far in so many years. So I'm going to be posting related content on my channel. If you're someone who's really interested in this kind of content, do subscribe to the channel. And if you really like this video and you were able to connect, do let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to reply. Also, I post similar kind of content on Instagram. You can follow me there as well. Baki, bye bye. See you in the next video.